Hello and welcome to another video. So we're going to have a look at another example of solving simultaneous equations or system of equations, but this time we're going to use the elimination method. So suppose we've got something like 7x minus 8y is equal to negative 11, and you've got minus 4x plus 8y is equal to 20. Now, you could do this with substitution. There's actually nothing stopping you from doing that, and you could easily do it. Why would you want to use elimination? Now, the reason for that is when you've got sort of coefficients that have a similar number next to them. So we can see with y here, we've got 8 in the first one, we've got 8 in the second one. So we basically know that in that case, it's going to be better to use eliminations because in that way, we can cancel y out. So let's have a look at that. So let's say we basically add these two equations together, right? So we basically add the left. So we go plus minus 4x plus 8y. And we've got here minus 11, and then we add that to 20. Well, if we add these together, we're going to get 3x plus 0y, which we of course know doesn't mean anything, which is just 3x. And that's going to give us 9. So now we have 3x equals 9, which means that x is 3. When we get that, all we have to do now is just plug it into the original equation, which was 7x take 8y is equal to negative 11. We plug 3 into here. 7 into 3 minus 8y is equal to negative 11, which means 21 take 8y is negative 11, and negative 8y is equal to negative 32. So therefore, y is equal to 4. So our solution is x is 3, y is 4. So that's sort of how we look into solving systems of equations using elimination. So the concept's pretty much the same for any sort of problem you have. If you have a number in front for any of the variables that's similar across both equations, then go for the elimination method. It'll be fairly simple. And I'll see you in the next video.